ACHR stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? I'm going to show you all this in this 1 minute video because I'm the only guy in this space that has done 40,000 videos and has proof of actually everything. How? Well, I've done this for 5 years and everything has been documented on this journey with this YouTube channel. With ACHR, I mean, lower time frame, I ultimately began calling it out right here. That's such a great call out, right? I'm not even going to lie. This was like May 12th May. Before really anything happened, and boom, we just jumped up. Well, I would have that bullish idea is even like way beforehand because I tend to upload these videos in my time zone a little bit later. But unironically, I'm still looking to double down, right? Meaning I'm still looking for buys. That means pull downs, and in those pull downs, if I see some sort of a double break, then I'm gonna look to buy, right? Randomly buying, not about to be happening. So I will continue to keep you updated, and if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.